Ooh, nah. Hey. Ooh. Daily low? This shit flipping back and forth, bruh. It's funny, it kinda tapped down, came up, and then just fell out again real quick. This shit doing that somersault shit. So how many was that on the rebreak of the low? Bruh, 75. That's so crazy, Roger. That shit crazy. And I know that wasn't 10 seconds. So I would have just had to get that shit in blood, boy. They'd have just had to be mad at me. Oh God. Let's see. Oh, why is it looking like this? Bruh. This shit making me mad, bruh. Are all my streams like this? Oh. Gotta put my overlay on. There we go. Shit. Anyway, we good now. But damn, bro. Part of me be like, I don't really want to do the gamble, the break of the low on my best accounts, but that shit got a good win rate in itself. But so Rod, you done trading on that other account for until the payout or until tonight or tomorrow? Roger gonna trust that volume. I felt my dog. But yeah, bro. So what happened right there was price came down first, came back up to make a better top wick, flipped back down again with a 1 out. Well, it was more so like a 30-minute closing, and just tapped right into this support. So the only thing about our precious daily low play today is which is 4409.2 right here. You would think that if it blasts past all these wicks that it should get going beyond it, but boy, there's a support right there. We definitely gonna see. Because like you can justify both. You can say, yeah, we just tapped into this support, it should go up. You can say we just closed bears from the 30, it should come down. Like right now we ain't did shit yet, basically. So like Roger, would you take this sell again? Or it done did the move now, bro. It done did it. He said, yeah, other account gonna wait till Friday, BRB. But and look at that, breaking up again. Mm-hmm. This is crazy. It tapped right into it, boy. I'm telling you, you can see, you could justify both. You could have said, should I like to sell? Come down into here, right to this purple line, or I like to buy because the 1 hour closed bullish and you just filling the wick up. But right now, I'm just chilling, trying to see what, trying to let price come to me. Whoever trying to scalp some shit though, this 5-minute did just close above everything. No bottom wick though. You only got a stop loss. Probably wait on a 15-minute closure, really. Let's see. Let's see. It kind of tapped into that area right there. Anyone's looking for sales, tapped into like this resistance. But I'm gonna just let candles close more so. Let them close. We've been catching some little 850 trades now that I think about it though, Roger, if you still here. Like this candle, you said it didn't look bad. I didn't love how it pulled back at the last second, but even if you had a sell stop on a break of this low, or you wasn't using but a 25 pip stop, that shit came down 40 in the first 5-minute candle. And it fell even more at 9. But ultimately, you just in a range, but let's do it. Damn, that shit is tapping out of this resistance right here, bruh. And here, and here. Is this shit just making a top wick to come down? 5-minute candle closing bearish. It closes bullish, and then it closes over this, and it closes like back under here, which is this support right here. And I would completely anticipate it to come down into this area. Let's see. Not forcing nothing, especially not early. We ain't even hit 9:15 yet, so yeah, they just keep like rejecting to come up, and that's cool. Yeah, just pushing up. Yeah, 10 seconds. I'm pushing up. Maybe we can go ahead and close above here at 15. But if we just keep doing what we're doing, getting into these resistances, I don't know about that. Just pushing and pushing and pushing right now. We still pushing, still pushing. Ooh. Oh nah, you ain't missed nothing. Price just kind of pushing back and back, or pushing up and up. Sorry. I mean, like I say, I guess you could have justified kind of. Who's calling me now, boy? Ah, hello. Yes. These folks. These folks calling and calling and calling and calling and calling. Damn. Anyway, you ain't missed nothing. No, I haven't taken anything yet. People been blowing my damn phone up, but I'm back. Dun, 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 Sat perfectly, bruh. I'm telling you, be seeing these damn candles, bruh. Antonio got to set his sell limits one day. Oh man. Just wait on a 15-minute closure now. Technically speaking, I'm halfway looking. If we close above there, it should be good to go up. But if we close above here, it should be good to go up. Really, I mean, closure above with a good wick down, retesting these areas. I don't think that this should be the end all be all of stopping it up. This little support that it keeps respecting, if the volume isn't back there. But we're gonna see. It might not do it at all. And if that's the case, and that shit go up first, I would be looking at a sell and or sell stop. So I'm locked in. I'm locked in on my Roger time. 720. Because I mean, shit, what happened all the other times? Try to put a buy stop, which is your stop loss above here. After it pushes up, or however high it pushes up, and that's it. Hopefully we get like a flip down or something. 20 seconds. Let's see. Ooh, damn. I did not expect all that. That's where Antonio said he's putting his buy stops and sell stops, or buy limits and sell limits. Shame. The reason I have this blue line here is because I see this support right here. So I don't know if that's a little too close now, but yeah, see that shit just piling up. We're not doing nothing but ranging, y'all. And those who play the range game, they would win today. It would have worked right there. Yeah, it would have worked perfectly. It's just printing side by side. Now it's rejecting out of this area that I have right here. So let me go ahead and clear these out again. This is a strange day. Hopefully I catch at least 2 trades between 9:30 and 10. I'm really not seeing much right now, but we'll see. We'll see. Still pushing up. 36 to 39. No. Nah. In my Roger voice, nah. Once again, woulda, coulda, shoulda taken this flip entry for after rejecting out of this support to this little resistance, but bruh, for 25, 30, no. I need a range of 100 with these big ass ranges. But we'll see. $10 minutes, 50 seconds until this closure. We're not doing nothing. Let's see. 5 or 10 minutes, bruh. 10 minutes. 10 minutos. Damn, it'd be nice if we could just close above everything. So, Roger, let me ask you this. I know you just messaged it back in the group. But say a candle was to close just like this at 9:30 below though. If you seen volume, take it down first and then start breaking this 1, 2, 3 highs, would you hop in that, trusting volume and being willing to cut it? Or are you more so like, I'd rather closure above? I'm thinking about Roger. He gonna trust that volume, boy. 9:30 especially. Let's see. Closures. Yeah. We gonna see, bro. We might get one. You might get one at 9:30. I would prefer above all this, but we gonna see. Because now we about to start breaking up again, and I bet you it's gonna start actually breaking these highs this time. A little cold, but I ain't doing nothing until 9:30, chat. Not even with a 5-minute closure. Like, it ain't really nothing to say on a 5-minute. got this resistance, like nah. But bet. Trying to smack some, bruh. Like 70, 60, 70, bruh. Cold. But yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes, y'all. Just mostly waiting on a 9:30 closure right now. So whatever you got to do, go ahead and do it because we got about 7.5 minutes. Don't. Yeah, about to mute myself and let the music just play. I'll be back. Let's see. Blast. I knew what was going on. I was like, when they break this high again, it should get going. It happened in what, 1 minute candle or something? Literally 1 minute candle. I had to break that bit. Bruh. 101 minute candle, bruh. That's insane. That's okay. Bruh, are we gonna close above though? If we can close above just like this and get a wick down, stops can be kept back below. There. Boom. And what is a 5 minute candle talking about? Damn, man. Yo, listen, at this point, I damn near want this 5 minute candle to close below. If this shit closed below rejecting, and I got a wick up, I would be something on that. One minute. This is weird. Uh-oh. You can't. Yeah, they're not even talking today. They all in the office. Someone said can't hear your co-host. But so let's see how this candle closes. This is a weird closure, bro. Like the 15 minute is closing above. Crazy time. What is this, Tony? Okay. 13 seconds. All right, this isn't bad now. Let's see what this candle closes like, opens like. I really want to come all the way down into here, if possible. Let's see. I'm gonna set it if I get it. I have to sell them before that 100 tick. Slam dunk. I mean, okay, it's fine to do all this. I just wanted to come down, break its low, and then I'll get it on the flip. So it can come all the way down to here and retest this. I'm cool. Roger, it's probably enough for Roger, but I'll be wanting a little more. I mean, it's 20, it's 29, but I wanted to tap what I wanted to tap. It might go. Just flip again. If it re-break its high, it's probably gonna get going. I'm just trying to goddamn see what I want to see, bruh. It's a 30-ish pip stop. Okay, I avoided that loss right there. I wanted to tap my zone because that means that it's rejecting off of an area that I like and saw, but it is also rejecting off of this. I could go lesser risk on a re-break of the high. Let's see. There we go. Starting to feel. But it's just jumping around though. Like this shit playing around so much right now. Like that's break even for me. Well, I don't know if it would have been break even for me, but I think you've seen like 30 something in a second. Either you would have taken it or you would have. If I get it to tap my zone, I'll set the limit. Or I'll set the buy stop. All right, I'll set it now. 44445.1. Let's see. But we'll see if it want to even flip back up now. Because how many is that up into? I want at least 50 something, bro. Like at least. But I got my buy stop right here though. 445.1. I'm just hoping when it go, it just go and don't do all this playing around like that. Up 10, down 80. I ain't in it yet though. I probably use like a 50-ish pip stop or maybe even 60, just kind of back below this range right here. But if it in fact rejects out of there, should be cool. It's moving around a lot though. Like I said, I use like a 50-ish pip stop, 50, 60. If it just starts rushing down, I do my best to cut it instead of letting it play around like that. Oof. I'm gonna delete this. That shit done fell 100. So nah. And the worst, my good brother Raj. Nah. uh-uh. But whoever took some money up here, you great. Even that little quick flip, like I said, it happened in like I wish I had the seconds chart, but it literally was this, and then it just fell out again. So it wasn't even really nothing to go after. Right there, boom, down. Damn, this is a weird day, y'all. Very weird day. Roger probably saying the sales don't look bad, but you do got this support right here. But if it were to close under that, because I'm just looking at this volume and how if we break like this previous 915 low, not bad at all. You know, Tracy got the seconds chart. Good. Gotta close for me. Yeah, no cap. I'm probably here for like 1, 2 more closures. I mean, this is about to flip though. Back on the 15-minute. I don't hate it still. I really don't. I just wanted a better stop loss. But I mean, it's the same stop using or same entry, the 15-minute flip. I'm gonna set this again, and it's 44.5.1, and that's just me getting on a 15-minute flip again. Probably using this 5-minute low, whatever that is. If you don't love it, don't take it. It's just an idea that I am going to rock with. That's a 15-minute flip entry. I mean, it don't really matter where this pulls down to because I ain't using. If it comes way down here again, then nah. But yeah, see, I got to come up 100 plus, bro, and then run another 60, 70, 80. That's the only bullshit. I think at this point, probably waiting, huh? Yeah, bruh. I think it's just best to wait, bruh. This breaking this low again too. It's just best to wait, unfortunately. Damn. Yeah, like Roger said, it gotta close ultimately. Like, it's doing a lot, and when it breaks this low right here, it should come down into this next zone. But like, there's too much going on. It's too much going on and nothing at the same time. Facts. He gave a little quick 30 push pip up or pip push up and done. What we said? Up 30, down 120. Man, this shit looking good though. The volume, it's just the stop's too big. It had to come from down here, grab these orders. Like, nah. In my Roger voice. Nah. All right, so Yeah, I don't. It's moving too much and too fast. And then, bruh, like I always be saying, these fluctuations happen, and this shit can easily get you in, fall 40, 50, and still go up just because it had to come from down 130. Like that ain't, and that ain't the price's fault. That's just like if you're not willing to sit in at least 70, 80 of that, then don't even take it. But on the chance that it does go right, and you don't want to half risk, you really should be holding for more because it was hardly even worth it to take it. Roger on a 25K account and he be hitting for 100 to 150 aiming for a trade. That means that if I'm on a 50K account, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Trying to get a 3,000, taking $100, $150, bro. That's a that's a stroke. You need to have some good days in there, like a 4, 5, 600, to really like get to that payout. And you can't be losing 1,200, 800, 900 if you only gonna be hitting for 150, 200. So a lot of it's a game within the game, really. Game within the game. Oh, I gotta look at what Tonio sent in the group. Talking about some crazy timing. Sell limit. Oh. Everyone, just so you can see Tonio's play. 1 MGC. 1 MGC. Let's see what he's talking about. Okay, $5. $5, 14, 8, 19. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn. Damn. Damn, look at it, bro. Look at gold right now, bro. What you doing? I caught the flip of what Tonio took. I took that by. What you up today, Brandon? See, 5-minute candles are pushing. You want a 50K or 100K, Brandon? Said you made 1,200 2 days ago, so that means you want a 100K. Oh, okay. Oh, a challenge. The thing about price right now that I'm noticing, it's moving too damn fast for these zones to be so small. Like I just was looking at potentially getting in on a flip of this, but it's like it tapped this and pull back up within like 5 seconds. So like you can, I mean, unless you just real deal not holding for more than 2, 3, 4 seconds, like you really just you assed out right now, bro. That's why I'm like, I really want some ranges bigger than just 20, 30, 40 pips because that's really getting there within like seconds. And then if I'm taking a 6, 7, 8, like I don't want that little 150. I do, it's cool, it's a buffer, like Roger was saying, but man, I want something that can really eat, bro, like 400, especially with my different groups. Yeah, I know, Roger. I know. It just tapped right into this though. And I was like, I'm looking at it because this closed below here, wicked up, or it came down, wicked up, flipped, and then came down into here. So it was about. I didn't realize it was 45, but it just happened so fast, man. It happened so fast. I don't like all this back and forth, bro. Like I said, you can justify a whole bunch of positions. You can always justify it. Be like, shit, well, this is happening, so. But tap right into this, bro. Tap right into it. Insane. Damn. Got this shit rolling up. I'd have a 40 or 9:45 closure. Damn. Oof. 1 minute, 22 seconds. It's closing, or it looks like it want to close respecting, potentially. But we don't see. Oh, damn. Oof. Boy. That shit got out of there. This is good enough for a buy position here soon. Damn, you closing right at a resistance. You closing right at multiple resistances. Like literally on a 30-minute and a 15-minute. If it pushes straight up, shall we call this a Tonio play? With no top wick potentially? Let's see the 15. Damn, bro. Oof. Bro. 1 5-minute candle. Up 200. You got a resistance right there, bro. Damn. Man, listen. If this 5-minute candle close above, I might be something on it. For real, for real. I'm looking at this 5 minute, which is right here. We close above there. I might. I hate how much it's ran, but we're just gonna see. So let's wait till 9:4 or 9:50. 9:50. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Bruh, no wick at the top. This shit start rejecting out of this resistance. Bruh, can this shit start coming down? We're gonna see. We're gonna see how this 5-minute candle closes. Because if this no wick at the top, tap the resistance, and this 5-minute closes bearish, potentially making a bottom wick to retest this area and these areas, I might see what that's talking about. Definitely. But if it start rushing down too much, yeah. But let's see. There goes that little flip. I really want to wait till we get a good closure because we just pushing up with so much volume. Like, prove it to me that you really gonna go up or down. I don't want no playing around. If this 5 close above, bro, I need to re-break its high again. They got 2 minutes. But if I'm waiting on another 5-minute candle, I don't know about that. That's so close to 10 at that point. This has been a weird day. Like I said, Roger called a one trade that I was like kind of like, yeah, but someone called me right during that time. But this 5-minute sell when he kind of broke this high and came down, closed slightly below, that wasn't bad. But there ain't shit going right now. But you got a meeting at 10? Yeah. I don't know if I got anything at 10 or if I got what I got. Nah. Nothing for real. Then I gotta do at least. But I just ain't trying to get that bug of sitting here too long. If it ain't there, it just ain't there. Sometime it be there though at like 11, 12. Is this shit about to fall or is this shit about to reject off of here again? I'm looking at it and it seemed like it could get held up here again. And it's just all could happens, you know, like it ain't no guarantee or nothing. I just look at every possible scenario like, okay, we got an obvious support right here. If we close respecting that support, then I don't know. But if we close below it, like we doing, and you get a top wick up, that's another thing. Let's see, 5 seconds. If we close respecting it, I don't think I can fuck with it, unfortunately. Be like, nah, bro. That's respecting this support right here. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, Roger, you might be calling the day, sir. I probably got another 15, 20, but I ain't trying to stare at this shit all morning either. I'd rather go do something else and come back every 15-minute increments. That ain't shit really going on right now. Mm-hmm. All right, pushing up again, respecting the same support right there. Yeah, say less. All right, bro. Be easy. Go ahead and your business. I'm gonna see if the 5-minute candle closes above here, which it looked like it may. And if not, we still look like. But now it's 2 minutes until this closes, though, and we right at the area again. So let's see if we want to go ahead and actually break through and close above now. It does. That helps. Might not though, man. Keep doing the same shit. Antonio, take your plays, bro. This is insane, man. Jesus Christ. The whole flip down? Really? Bro. Like no closures until 10. Hmm. 11 seconds. Eight, 7. Damn, this is kind of wild, y'all. We be coming here to fool around. We close in 1 minute 30 seconds. Looks like we about to reject out of here. Let's see. This 15-minute closes below really all this shit, but even under there, it might go up or it might go down. But I'm not really in the game of mites right now. It just randomly started. Let's see. No trade. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Okay. What's going on? What do we do all the other times? We close back below. This is a fake out. Come up. Actually coming down. See how this opens. This is did not expect that, but I bet you it respects it though. Yeah. See. 440.4. Because that would mean the 30 minutes about to close bearish too. Respecting this area again. Maybe coming back into here. But if it closes bullish, bro, you wait. Yeah, see, yeah. Damn, bro. This is wild right now. Damn, bro. Part of me would love to take this Tonio. I mean, you could justify both sides. You could say we had no top wick. We went into this area, flipped down, and now we're coming down. You could also say it closed bullish as hell. So when this flips back up, it should go up. It's just a whole bunch of uncertainty right now. But I'm not really too much. Well, y'all, unless y'all just trying to keep sitting here, we would have to close above this basically, which is doable and fine. But I'd rather just hit the group message and set an alert and just keep on waiting on this shit. This did close bearish, so I'm not surprised at this coming down a little bit, but it did close above my zone right here. So, yeah. So that's what we'll do. Let's just keep an eye on the group message. I'm gonna set alerts on my phone, and if we get a closure like above here, 44.57, I'll say something. Man, if y'all see it, let me know. I say sells. Sells are cool if you were to close like back under here, but like between here and here, you just kind of chilling, like you ain't really doing nothing. So yeah, it might come on down into this, but let's just keep an eye on it. I'll be in a group message. Y'all be easy.